Right, so let's talk about how to use the leather conditioner. So what you're going to need is the leather conditioner, and you'll also need the application cloth that comes in the box as well. So all you do, give it a shake and pour the leather conditioner straight into the cloth, like so, and it's just a matter of just wiping it on. Just take one panel at a time, just wipe it on evenly. And what this is going to do is going to soak into the leather and help to moisten the leather content or the structure of the leather and improve its suppleness. So in a lot of cases you won't need to do the whole lounge suite, but this is ideal for doing areas like right across the top here where it's been exposed to sunlight, where your couch has been up against a window, or panels that have actually been exposed to sunlight. This is actually a very, very good way of actually softening it up again. And if you have some leather that's really boardy and stiff, what you can do is put the conditioner on, leave it for an hour, put another layer of conditioner on, and then just leave it overnight. In fact, the longer you can leave it, the better. Say for example, you had a set of car seats that were getting really, really stiff. What you can do is just put it on over maybe 2 or 3 layers over 2 or 3 days and leave it for a week. Because what's going to happen, it has a penetrator in the conditioner which draws it down, and sometimes leathers are more resistant to the conditioner soaking in, but the longer you leave it, the better it's going to soak in. And what you can do once the conditioner's gone, it has actually dried, you can actually massage it, which helps push the conditioning oil into the fibres of the leather. So what we'll do now, I've just wiped it on and I've just let it dry, and we'll come back in a day or tomorrow and have a look at it again. Right, so here we are the next day, and it's dulled down to an even sheen now, so it's got in and done its job. If you find that you have shiny patches, what you can do is just use a soft cloth and just buff them out. You really want to finish this process with an even sheen over the whole thing. If you find that buffing still doesn't work, just add a little bit of water or a small amount of leather cleaner, and just go over the top and just even it out. So that's what you need to do before you go onto the protector. Also, a word of caution, don't use the leather conditioner without first of all cleaning it, because if you don't, you will find that the dirt and the soiling will actually stop the conditioner from penetrating in. So make sure you use the leather cleaner first before you apply this conditioner.